Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. The market is not quite closed yet. It'll close here in a couple minutes. So that, yes, that candle is changing because the market is not quite closed. But for what I want to talk about, the overall levels, it'll be okay unless something crazy happens. But let's kind of talk about the key technical event that has occurred, and I guess technically speaking is occurring right now, and that is the price is now broken down below that pink line there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay up above it because it's a very important level of support. And as things stand right now, the price is broken below it. And as you're witnessing, the price is currently falling to the downside. Now, if the price starts to level out and then head back up, not necessarily tomorrow, but either, on Friday or early next week, and, where are levels of resistance at? Well, this just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So as already talked about, going into today, the pink line was the level of support, but now that would now be considered an area of resistance on any sort of bounce to the upside. Right now, that pink line is valued at 33 cents. So 33 cents near-term level of resistance on any sort of bounce. From more of an overall sense, as I've talked about in past videos, the next level of resistance would be up there, the 50 period simple moving average, and that right now is valued at 37 cents. Now, what about areas of support? If this downwards move continues, where are some potential next areas where the price could head? I realize the price is kind of getting harder to see here, but that just really kind of goes to show that it's been a while since the price has been down this low. Next key level of support to keep an eye on, down at 29 cents. That's just this former breakout area from back there in the past of, when was that? On October 18th. If 29 cents cannot hold, next level of support after that, down around the 25 cent mark. So 29 and 25, the next couple areas of support going forward. We'll have to see what happens with it. But yeah, rough day today, rough final 30 minutes, and we'll see if the bulls can get this ship turned around or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.